Clearing cache on a Firestick can quickly fix app freezing, buffering, and storage issues. In this video, I will show you the exact steps to clear cache on your Firestick, including a faster method using the remote, so your apps run smoothly again. First, go to the home screen on your Firestick. From there, move to the right and open Settings. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and select Applications. After that, choose Manage Installed Applications. You will now see a list of all installed apps. Select the app you want to fix, then choose Clear Cache. That's it. The cache for that app will be cleared. Now, there is another method that works on some Firestick remotes. When you are on an app inside Manage Installed Applications, you can press the rewind button or the play-pause button on your remote. This can clear the cache quickly for the selected app. Keep in mind, this method does not work on all Firestick models. So if it doesn't work for you, use the normal way from the menu. If the clear cache option is not responding, restart your Firestick and then try clearing the cache again. If the app is still causing problems after restarting, go back and clear the cache one more time. If you are facing storage issues, clear the cache of multiple apps one by one using the same steps. That's it for this video on how to clear cache on your Firestick. I hope these steps helped you fix app issues and free up some space on your device. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Firestick tips. If you have any questions or if this method worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.